Hello everyone, this is Akash and you are watching Python programming. So for today our problem statement is determine whether a given number is prime or not. So let's get started. First of all, we will ask user to enter a integer variable. N is our variable, int for integer, and in input we will write enter a number. Now we will declare a temp variable which will be equals to 0. Now we will run a for loop for I in range 2 to n. Okay, 2 is the lower bound, n is the upper bound. It means if n value is 5, then I will iterate through 2, 3, 4, but not 5. Upper bound will not be counted, only the lower bound is counted, and from lower bound to n minus 1th variable. Okay, n minus 1th value. Now we will write an if statement. If n modulus of I is double equals to 0, if this condition satisfy, it means n will be divided, or what we can say, n will be divided until it get the remainder using all the values starting from 2 up to n minus 1th value. If we get a remainder as 0, then we will increment the value of temp. Temp plus equals to 1. Okay, temp plus equals to 1 is nothing but temp is equals to temp plus 1, which is temp's previous value is 0. 0 plus 1, temp value, now temp value is 1. Okay, now we will come out of the loop. Again, if statement, if temp is still equals to 0, it means temp is not equal to 1 and this condition doesn't satisfy. At that point, print prime number. Okay, else if the above condition satisfies and temp value is not 0, then print not a prime. Okay, so now we will test it out. We are running the code by pressing shift plus enter a number. Okay, I will type 99, and 99 is not a prime. Now I will write type 101. 101 is a prime, we know that, prime number. Okay, prime, no, it is written, so I will type it as prime number. Okay, now if we will type some other number which is 17 is also a prime number. Okay, and 91 is also a, oh sorry, 91 is not a prime number. So you get the point. This is the simple program to determine whether a given number is prime or not. Okay, this is all for today's video. I'll be bringing more videos related to Python basics topics, and if you have any doubts related to the code, or if you want any other codes that need to be written or explained, just comment it out, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, and thank you everyone.